Hey fantasy fans, you think you know everything about Eragon? Here's a magical secret almost no one talks about. Did you know the elves of Alagaësia literally train their hearing by listening to birdsong every single morning? Instead of meditation as we know it, elves immerse themselves in the complex patterns of bird singing, feeling the magic in the melodies. By focusing on birdsong, elves can hear even the quietest footsteps in the forest, making them incredible trackers and warriors. The years of this training give elves a sense of peace and a superhuman awareness. It's a tradition passed down from elven parents to their children. So, would you like to try elven birdsong training yourself? Let me know in the comments and hit subscribe for more hidden fantasy lore.